For so many people, they do not know how to use AI. Now, if you're a content creator or you're a business owner, wherever you find yourself, here are 10 AI tools that not only help you increase your productivity, but create content that will persuade people and get them buying from you over and over again. Now, if you're just checking me for the first time, my name is Emeka Iberian, and I'd like to welcome you to my channel where I talk about AI, business, marketing, and growth. So let's get into the 10 incredible AI tools you can't live without. Tool number 1, and this is not ChatGPT, no. This is the number 1 tool when it comes to research, and even when putting this video together, I had to use this tool to come up with the right content and title. And what tool am I talking about? I'm talking about Perplexity.ai. With Perplexity.ai, you do all your research and you get so many sources of videos, text, references that you can use to get accurate data in putting together your content or your business research. Now, I use Perplexity.ai to ensure that I'm really giving my audience the best value, and this is my number 1 tool in my 10 AI tools. Tool number 2 is PDF AI. And what is PDF AI? Just like the name says, all you have to do is upload your PDF document and you can interact with your PDF document using this tool. So imagine if you have a project or you have an ebook or any of those materials that you downloaded from the internet and you're looking for insight or how to interact with that PDF and find out if that actual data is what you need. With PDF.ai, you can do it with ease. Upload your PDF into it, chat with the AI, and the AI will summarize, analyze, review, and even go deeper into that document. And that's my number 2 tool. Tool number 3 is none other than Leonardo.ai. Now, I know you've heard of Midjourney, but I use Leonardo.ai because not only is it free for most part of it, but with Leonardo.ai, you get the right text to image that you can use to create graphics and so many other things. Leonardo AI is one of the tools that I use, and I use it for my conference. I use it for several reasons. I also use it to create comics, characters, and avatars. So this is my number 3 tool that I love so much. Tool number 4 is 11 Labs. Now, this is my favorite text-to-speech AI tool that generates the best AI voices in the market. And I can tell you that you can also clone your voice and also find similar voices that you will use to create content for yourself. Now, this would help you save so much time if you want to generate so much content or faceless content on the internet. So 11 Labs is your go-to guide or your go-to tool for text-to-speech AI tools. Tool number 5 is Adobe Podcast. Have you ever been in a situation whereby you had to record a video, but for whatever reason you had background noise and it wasn't clear, and you're wondering how do you take all that away? Well, with this tool, you don't have to worry. With Adobe Podcast, all you have to do is put in your audio file into Adobe Podcast and it will collect and make it studio quality. Yes, you get the best studio quality when you use Adobe Podcast. And this is my number 5 tool when it comes to my 10 incredible AI tools that I use to create amazing content. And these are the tools that you cannot live without. Tool number 6 for me is Magic Eraser. And when you take pictures, imagine the other day I took some photos and in my background I had people there. I had so many distractions and I was like, oh, how can I use to remove all these people from the background? And that is why I always use magiceraser.io. All I have to do is clean out the people out of the background and I have that perfect photo that I can use all the time. So this is my go-to tool when it comes to removing people from backgrounds in my photos. So make sure you use magiceraser.io. Now, ever been in a situation where you have to create presentation, pitch decks, and also you want to share your ideas with your clients, your customers, and your audience, and you're wondering where do you start from? Well, you can use AI to generate perfect presentation with insight, content, and so much more. And I use this AI tool to create the same. What tool am I talking about? Is Tome. Tome is your go-to tool for creating perfect pitch decks and presentation, and it's fully AI generated and the content is really good. Now, this tool that I'm about to share with you is the go-to tool when it comes to text to video generation. Now, if you have ideas or you're wondering where do you start from in putting out content, you can use this tool to generate amazing amazing videos that would help you scale your business. And what tool am I talking about? It is InVideo. With InVideo, put in your prompts and the AI generates amazing videos and even voice. And don't forget that we talked about 11 Labs. So with 11 Labs and InVideo, you have the perfect voice and video combination that you can use to generate amazing content. So InVideo is your go-to tool for video creation. Now, my number 9 tool that you should have in your tool stack is Interior AI. Now with Interior AI, if you want to create an amazing studio for yourself, or you want to imagine what would my apartment look like, now that is your go-to tool for creating such images with Interior AI. All you have to do is put in some interior design dimensions or inspiration, and this tool will generate amazing perfect images for you that you can then use to create that stellar space that you've always wanted. So Interior AI is your go-to tool when it comes to interior decoration. And tool number 10, yes, we have gotten to the end of this. Tool number 10 is none other than Haen, the big one. Yes, Haen is the big one. And with Haen, you can clone yourself. You can also create amazing videos from the list of avatars that you have in Haen. Whatever tribe you want, voice type, and even language, Haen can do that for you. Now, what people do not know is most content creators now begin to clone themselves using Haen, where they can clone their voice and also create their own avatars and create endless content without ever putting on the camera. Yes, you can do this with Haen. Now, these are my 10 AI tools I can't live without, and I know you can't live without these tools. So all you have to do is watch the video again, go to these tools. Most of them are free. Get them and then start creating amazing content. I hope you found this helpful. Subscribe to this channel and drop in the comment which other videos would you like me to create for you. This has been amazing, and this has been the 10 incredible AI tools you can't live without. I'll see you at the next one.